like me, have a little bit insecurities with jowls right here, sagginess, what's going on with this part, there is something that I guys gonna teach you. I have never done this. Look, I do have replacement head dermaroller, which is 0.5. What I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna take this off like that, and I'm gonna put on body dermaroller, which I never used on the face, but this is 1mm Dermaroller head, which actually is just wider a little bit. I'm doing TikTok live right now at this moment. If you're not following me on TikTok or Instagram, I'm gonna put the handle right here so you can follow it. Gin Amber X. So 1mm handle that comes already disinfected, so I do not have to disinfect. All right, so I do have a 1mm body dermaroller, which is absolutely okay to be used on the face, lower part of the face. What I'm doing, I do not have any makeup. I just applied cream this morning. There's zero makeup on my skin, like nothing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use natural foam cleanser, which is literally oxygen in the foam form. So I'm gonna be using for my saggy jowls. Not that crazy saggy, but it's bothering me. So basically from mid cheek here and here, I'm gonna use that dermaroller on the lower part and a little bit in the beginning, like over here, like 1/3 on the top of my neck. And I do have this towel that I only use for my face for microneedling. And I do have a little bit of a lip balm with the tint, so which I'm not gonna use dermaroller on the lips. Nobody should use 1mm on the lips. All right, so now I can start dermarolling. Why dermaroller? This is 400 individual needle dermaroller that I'm gonna be using to tighten lower part with real individual needles that are trademarked. This means these needles are real inside. They don't have those fake wheels. Like, look, this is what I'm gonna show you. You see those wide towards the base, these needles widen. So imagine when you really zoom that in, what happens on the skin when you roll with this fake roller. Market is full of this crap. So basically this is really the best dermaroller you could use for your skin if you want to have the best result. And I don't need numbing cream because this part of our face has the most fat. The more fat you have, the least pain you will have. If you do have pain, I do have recommendation down below of a numbing cream, but it's really not that bad. So I'm taking literally from my chin and rolling with the gentle pressure, kind of like you will be shaving, and you dermaroll. This head is usually body dermaroller, but 1mm can be used on the skin, and I will do 10 rolls, and then I will do down, starting with here or here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2. All right, and then I will go probably from the side the same way towards the middle of the neck. 1 2. It's kind of a little bit uncomfortable. The best way is really to use dermaroller like that, like going down from like a bone down like mid neck where we disinfected. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2. This is enough for the beginners. You can be done right here and go to bed. That's all. I'm going to do the same a little bit one more time over. If you feel right now tingling and kind of burning and a little bit like uncomfortable, like a sunburn situation, you should be done. So I'll do 5 times more over the same iris in the same direction. So it's really helpful if you have a turkey neck sagging situation here going on. It's really great. And guys, trust me, in microneedling, less is more, especially using with these sharp needles is wow. All right, so after that we are disinfecting simply by applying foam on the, like that, on the dermaroller. I will do that above the sink, and then I can just store it in the case and wait until next tomorrow, rinse it with the filtered water. What is now? You can be done now. There is a myth that you must use something after microneedling. You don't have to. But using proper serums that are actually toxic free. It's really beneficial. So you already have a lot of like benefits right now with microneedling, right? Tightness, firmness is gonna boost collagen and elastin production, is gonna boost and it's gonna hydrate your skin. What I'm gonna use after, my favorite, vitamin C and hyaluronic. So hyaluronic is going to plump my skin and hydrate my skin. Hyaluronic attracts up to 1000% of its weight of the molecule, and vitamin C is anti-aging, is brightening, and is the best antioxidant for the skin you can have. And this is sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is really amazing, bioavailable for your skin, and it is not oxidating like L-ascorbic acid. And plus L-ascorbic acid burns like crazy after microneedling. So I take 5 pumps of each hyaluronic and vitamin C, and I just mix it like that between my hands and dab. I don't rub, I just dab. Feel a little bit tingling, maybe 3 out of 10, not that bad. And I kind of push it in the skin. Make sure you washed really well your hands before this. All right, and whatever is left I can apply everywhere and on the skin. After microneedling, you don't wanna ever rub. You want to push it in, like with pressure, push it in with pressure, push it in with pressure, and a little bit slap, it's fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, it's good. And that's it basically. Kind of, if I really wanna boost with insanity, I will use Skin Fitness Pure Oxygen Serum. 2 pumps also. Oxygen is good for the skin. Oxygen is antibacterial and very important internally and externally. And that's it. My jowls will be looking good. Now, redness like that, it's totally fine. Make sure you do not go to the sun today. Tomorrow, I will avoid 2. I will say wait 2 days. If you have to go walk the dog, put sunscreen, put the big hat, put the big sunglasses, it's fine, but don't forget sunscreen, okay? It's not that bad, but please don't go lay down on the beach for 12 hours tomorrow. It's not okay, neither today, neither tomorrow. In 3 days, it's fine. Sauna, try to avoid sauna. Heavy exercising where you will sweat, it's not okay after microneedling. There's no damage or anything like that for the skin, it's just gonna burn. You will pee your pants, how painful that can be. 1mm can be used only once a month. I don't recommend using this more often than once a month, and I will say if you're a beginner, every 5, maybe even every 6 weeks. So just few minutes have passed, and I just want to show you guys how it looks like and how it's normal to look like after microneedling your skin. Redness, it's fine. Bleeding is not fine. If you bleed, you're overdoing. And sometimes when you're overdoing, you're reversing what you want to achieve. Don't bleed. And whoever is making you that you're bleeding after microneedling, fire them, trust me. If you have any questions, please leave me down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!